When it comes to creating content for your business, there is one universal rule that applies to every industry and every type of business, and it's that consistency is key. The more often that you can show up in front of your prospect, the more likely they're going to be to visit your website, use your service, or purchase your product. But one truth that no one wants to talk about is that not every business needs super deep, perfectly polished, and perfectly strategized content. Sometimes you just need to stay in front of your audience, stay relevant, and remind people that you even exist. That alone is going to drive leads, bookings, and sales. And there has never been a time where it's been easier to do that than now, thanks to all the different automation tools that we have. So today I'm going to show you how to automate your entire social media engine, the ideas, the posts, the captions, even the actual publishing, so you can stay in front of your customers without doing more work. I'm going to be showing you this whole automation within GoHighLevel because it is the fastest and easiest way to get all of your content connected and posted. And if you're not familiar with it, it is an all-in-one marketing platform that you can use for your business no matter what industry you're in. All right, so jumping in here, I am on the homepage of my GoHighLevel. This is just a demo account, so there's no real data. All you want to do is you want to navigate on the left-hand side to marketing here. I'm going to click on that and it's going to take you over to social media planner right away. Now I already have my LinkedIn connected. You can connect more socials just by clicking this button up here. If you're new to GoHighLevel, it will prompt you to connect something right away. But again, if you want to connect more, you just click on here and connect everything super easily. Now for today's purposes, we're only going to be using LinkedIn, but this exact strategy, everything that we're doing, you can do for Instagram, Facebook, any social media, and they also have threads on here now as well, so you can post and schedule on threads as well. So all you're going to want to do now is hit new post here and content AI. Now, because I only have my LinkedIn connected, it only gives me the LinkedIn option here. Again, if you have more socials connected, you can obviously post this across multiple. Once you've selected your desired platform, you're going to go ahead and click next here, and it's going to take you over to this generate content page. Now, all of this again is AI powered, so you really don't have to do too much. For the sake of this example, let's say we are a dental office. So we're going to pick our tone of voice, professional, friendly, persuasive, blah, blah, blah. Let's say persuasive because I really want to be persuasive and I want to bring people in for my promotion teeth whitening treatment. So if my goal with this post is just to tell people about teeth whitening and how good it is for your mental health and your confidence and things like that, then that's all I'm going to write here in the key message. All right, and now for the goal of the LinkedIn post, our goal here is to persuade the reader to book a teeth whitening service at my dental clinic. Okay, now we're going to go ahead and select how many variations we want. So let's say we want 4 variations and we're going to hit generate. Okay, so it's fully loaded. It's created our content. So this is the default content that it chose. You can read through it if you want. And then we have all of our variations on the left-hand side here. So we can read through these, copy whichever ones we prefer, and move forward with this. So let's say we like this. Always try and give the AI content some feedback here if you like it or if you don't. And of course, you can go in here and edit and change things up if you want. Like I probably wouldn't use leadership in this example or professional growth. So let's say confidence and whiter teeth. Perfect. We're going to hit continue. And this takes us over to the actual social post. So I'm going to select the account that I want to post on. You can post on multiple, of course, as well. And the next part is here on LinkedIn, as well as Instagram, Facebook, all of these platforms, you can, of course, add an image. But if you don't already have one, guess what we're going to use? You got that right. We are going to be using AI. So in order to create your AI generated image, you're just going to want to go right here and click on that little image here. And we're going to click on create image using AI. Okay, now this is what pops up. And so to describe the image, I'm just going to say teeth whitening in a dental clinic. Perfect. You can obviously add more detail. I would recommend adding more detail. You can add, smiling young woman getting her teeth whitened in a dental clinic. You can change it however you want, add as many details as you want. The more details, the better. But just for example's sake, I'll keep it really short. And you can choose the style of image that you want to generate. I'm just going to go with photography, photorealistic, and we're going to hit generate. Okay, so this is the image that it generated. And again, all I said was teeth whitening in a dental clinic, and it created this photorealistic image for us. It is the perfect dimension for a LinkedIn image. We're going to go ahead and select yes or no. And I really like this. Again, I always give my feedback on these things, but we're going to go ahead and click continue. And there you go. That's pretty much it. There's nothing else you need to do. This took 2 minutes. We've got a whole post. We've got our image here. and we can either post it right away, we could save it for later, or we can schedule a post. We can schedule it to be recurring. So if you have like a monthly special, or the first of every month you have a particular discount, you can set this to be a recurring post. So you can set it and forget it, not worry about it. And the other really cool thing is, if you have someone in marketing that's doing this, you're not doing this yourself, but you still want to have oversight, or maybe you're doing this for a client, you can always send post for approval. So before it actually goes out on their page, there is some sort of human approval required, and only after that approval does this post get posted. Okay, so I just hit save for later, and as you can tell, it's right in here. It is in draft status, and if you want, you can edit it, you can clone it, you can play around with it, you can schedule it. Totally up to you. Now, if you want to take this to the next level, all we're going to do is we're going to go into ChatGPT, and we're going to type in something along the lines of, give me 20 ideas for content for LinkedIn for a dental clinic. Okay, so something super simple like this. Again, add more details to the prompt if you want, but just for example's sake, I'm keeping it super simple, and we're going to get all of our ideas here. Perfect. So that took us 10 seconds. We have 20 great ideas, honestly, just skimming through these. These are really, really good things to post, especially on something like LinkedIn, as well as Instagram, Facebook, wherever you have your social media set up. You're going to take all of these and just copy and paste these and use GoHighLevel to schedule all of these posts. So you can take maybe an hour a month to generate all of the ideas, using AI to generate the actual content, the image to go along with it, and to schedule them. Again, you're spending an hour for a month's worth of content, and you don't have to worry about it again moving forward. That is all for today. I hope you guys found value in this. Like I said, if you are interested in GoHighLevel, I do have a link down in my bio for a 14-day free trial. I highly encourage that you play around with it and see what is possible. And if you already have GoHighLevel, then dig deeper and see what else you can do that you're not already doing, because I guarantee you there's so many features, you're not using it to the max capabilities. If you have any questions or suggestions for future content, please leave a comment down below and let me know. And if you like this type of content, then please like and subscribe, as that really helps the channel grow. Thanks again for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.